Hi guys, and we're today making a sparkle crew, and I find it so many. It just costs like lots of money, and I'll tell you how to make a transformer with it.
Okay.
So first, you're going to have to put these weapons up and switch them feet like this. And then you're going to have to put them right there on the side. Second, put this back and put the tail and
What else? Come
the
on.
ladder is the tail. So you put this up to refit, and then here you're going to have to make the helicopter right. You're going to have to make it like this and put it right connect. And then, second, third step, you're going to place this as hard as you can and goodbye. Fourth step, put this back. Fifth step, put it back as it goes. Sixth step, you connect it where the blue spot is. Turn it like that, and put it like this. And you're all done. And don't forget the arms. And that's all.
Good job, Marcelo. How old are you, Marcelo?
6.
Woo! Nice job. Can you turn around to see? Wow. Okay.
How long
Great job.
does it take?